So Henry's trying to destroy the pallet over there. So I've tied Lincoln up. What makes you think he's not enjoying being tied? You don't like the thing on the wall, do you? He actually just loves chewing his lead, don't you? And then it gets the most disgusting smell, and then I've got to clean it. Hey, so you don't care. You're like, it smells great, Mama. Just leave it.
Is anyone at home?
No.
Can I make noise?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whew. We're gonna have to stop this video, though.
Oh, check this out. This is the coolest thing I've ever done.
Oh my god. Don't hurt yourself.
Look at that crack that I did there.
Oh my goodness. Seems dangerous, you guys. Oh my gosh. Woo! Alright guys, I'm gonna go before something bad happens here.
I need earplugs.
This is just proof. Henry, just do that a couple more times. How deaf Lincoln is. Do it again. Nothing. Because people always ask me, does he hear some stuff? No, he hears nothing. I mean, we could do that right next to him and he would not hear it, so. You're having way too much fun there, little chunkles. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye. Look at those teeth though, before I go. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. You are so cute, Lincoln.
Look at it from the side. Go over here. No, come back. You have to see his whole body.
Oh my gosh. It won't focus.
Won't focus?
No. Oh, there we go. Wow, that's a pose, mister. Huh? How was that comfortable? Alright, bye everyone.